I'm gonna throw some. Yep. Oh, largemouth. There we go. Staying out. Here, Billy. Go catch another giant northern.
I will.
Okay. Yep. Whoa! Big fish just hit. Oh, got one. Oh, he's not that big. That is a decent northern. Yes. Oh, he got off. He was bigger than I thought too once I saw his mouth.
It was a big one.
Let's go.
Can I take off my life jacket?
One sec. I got that. Yeah.
Yeah, those were cool. I really high five for the muskie though. Yeah, look.
Yeah, you'll see some.
Look at how clear this is. Yeah.
No, this is kind of where
Yeah,
I
they
would
keep
say-
yelling muskie.
Yeah, we kept. We're not even being funny. There's muskie.
Guys,
there's
I just saw
all-
another muskie.
It could be a lull.
Yeah.
I just saw another.
I did not expect it to be that short. So I was like, whoa, I got a duck. This is beautiful. Yeah, that's crazy.
That's a tight squeeze.
You're not kidding.
That's a tight
Yep.
Are we guys?
Pontoons do it all the time.
Yeah, we just saw two pontoons
Where
coming.
are we? Guys, where are we?
Trying to get to Stump Lake.
After we get out, I'm gonna do. After we.
Swivels. Catching fish while I'm just looking at that. This is just maddening. Luna, you want to release this, Luna?
Yeah.
Oh. Rowan's fearless. Get in here, Rowo.